Now see children, construct a quadrilateral. Rough idea I have given. MIST, when where MI is this, I is 6.5 centimeter, angle M 75 degree, angle I is this, and angle S is 120 degree. So now you can see here. First I have drawn I is 6.5 centimeter. Then afterwards, what I have drawn, suitable radius and draw an arc. Then intersecting point you are getting, so draw an arc. Then again 60 degree you will get, okay. Then here, so here you will get 120 degree, and ray you will draw. So you will get 120 degree angle. So angle S is 120 degree. Now see here I. So again I have taken suitable radius, center, draw an arc. Okay. Now intersecting point you will get on I as this. Draw another arc. 60 degree you will get. Again draw another arc. 120 you will get. Now we want 105 degrees. So what I have done, I have drawn bisector of this. So one arc, and center is this, okay, second arc. So in this way 90 degree dotted I have drawn here. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree. Now we want 105. So 30 degree, rest of 30 degree arc is this. So again I have taken bisector of this. Okay, so suppose that this. Draw an arc with this and draw an arc. Okay, and join this. So what you will get, here is 90 plus 15 degrees, 105, and join Y to I. So angle YIS is 105 degree. Okay, now afterwards MI is given 3.5 centimeter. So radius 3.5 centimeter I have taken, and rounders needle and draw an arc. So MI. Okay, now we have to draw angle M. Okay, so for angle M what we will do, again convenient radius will take, so and 15 degree, so 60 plus 15, 75. Now from M we have to draw 75 degree. So take suitable radius you will take, and then draw an arc, another arc, you will get 120. Then same way you will draw bisector of this. So and dotted line you will join, so you will get 90 degree. Then 90 degree when you will draw, so this ray will intersect this arc at here. So what you will do, again you will draw bisector of this. So 60 is here and 15 is here, so you are getting 75. Then intersecting point you will join to and extend the ray Z, which intersect SX at T. So MIST is your required quadrilateral, you can see. Okay. Now for steps of constructions, first what we have done, draw a line segment with the help of ruler. Draw a line segment, length with 6.5 centimeter. I is equal to this. Now for angle A is 120 degree. ISX is equal 120 degree. Second step, You will not explain the process how you have formed. Okay, so only then draw angle SIY 105 degree. Okay, now by taking radius 3.5 centimeter, I as a center draw an arc which intersect ray IY at M. So MI equal to 3.5. Now draw an angle ZMI is equal to 75 degree. This, which intersects SX at T. So MIST are required quadrilateral. Okay. Now let us start exercise 4.3. MO equal to 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, angle R is equal to also 105 degree. Okay, now see for that what I have done first. 6 centimeter, sorry children, 6 centimeter I have drawn here, MO, and then by taking suitable radius M as a center, draw an arc, and arc, this line segment, arc is intersecting this line segment at this point and from here and joined. So you will get ray MX. That means this angle we got 60 degree. Now forming 105 degree angle O is 105. So by taking suitable radius, draw an arc. Now arc is intersecting this line segment at this point. So from here draw another arc, then another arc. So this arc, the measurement of this arc is 60 degree and this arc is also 60 degree. So 60, 60, 120, but we want 105. So what we will do, we will draw bisector of this because 60 we want. So now this is half of 60. 60 is this and half of 60 we are getting 90 degree. So with dotted line we will join this. Okay. Now again we will get intersecting point on this arc and half of that we will draw. Then we will get 105 degree. Okay. Now you can see the 60 degree. And bisector I have drawn, so dotted line I have shown P, O, P, 90 degree. Then this intersecting point here you can see on this arc we are getting. Again this is the 30 again. So again we have drawn the bisector of this, you can see here, and joined. So this is the 60 plus 30, 90 plus 15, 105 degree we are getting here. So here you will write, and then draw, join O to Y. Now O to R we can draw. So what we will do, R, radius will take 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc on that point. We will get R. Now by taking radius 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc. So you will get OR equal to 4. Okay. Now afterwards what you will do, see here, angle R we have to draw 105 degree. So R point you got, suitable radius, you will draw an arc. Arc will intersect this ray at intersecting point, you can see. Now another arc. So you will get 60 degree. Again draw 60 degree. Now this is 60. Now 30 and You know how we can draw the 105 degree. So bisector, you can see bisector I have drawn here, from here and here. So 90 you will get, but dotted line we will join, and more. Again bisector we will get 105 degree. Okay. Now you can see I have joined R2. So perfect 90 degree you are getting. 60, 30. Again this and this bisector I have drawn on this here. Now it is 60 plus 30, 90 plus 15, because we will join this. So total 105. Extend it and extend it. The intersecting point you will get, and you will get complete quadrilateral. Okay. So when you will draw half this, you will get 15 degrees. So 60, 90 and 15, you will get complete 105 degree. Now what you will do, you will extend this ray. So RZ, the ray is you are getting, and extend this X ray, MX also. Both the ray will intersect at a point E. So MORE is your required quadrilateral. You can see in this way. So steps of construction: draw MO, line segment MO with the help of ruler and measurement 6 centimeter. Form an angle XMO 60 degree and MOY 105 degree. Now O is the center, and by taking radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect a ray OY at R. OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now form an angle ORZ 105 degree, which intersects ray MX at E. Quadrilateral MORE is our required quadrilateral. Okay. Now see in the second question, quadrilateral PLAN, where PL is equal to this, LA equal to this, angle P, angle A, angle N. So what we will do first, see here in quadrilateral PLAN, given things we will write. Then we know in the quadrilateral all the sum of all the angles is always 360 degree. Angle P is 90 degree given. Angle L as it is. Angle A 110, angle N 85 degree. We add all these three angles. So 285 degree equal to 360 degree. So measurement of angle L will be 75 degree. Why we have done this? Because here you can see the line segments LA and PL is written. That means necessary condition is we should know angle L. That's why we have calculated measurement of angle L. So for that, first what you will do, LA 6.5 centimeter you will take. Now angle L with the help of rounder 75 degree you can draw, and angle A 110 degree with the help of protector you will use, because it is not multiple of 15, so it's not possible with the help of rounder. Geometrically you can't show, you can't form this angle. So you will get angle L and angle A. Now from the angle A you will get vertex A. So A is a center, take radius and L, from the point L you will get on, and L is 75 degree. So easily you can geometrically you can show the measurement of 75 degree angle. So L, you will take radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect the ray at P, and from P 90 degree you will draw an angle, and angle N 85 degree. So easily you can do this. Now see in third question, parallelogram. In parallelogram HEAR, HE 5 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter, angle R 85 degree. It's not possible geometrically, so with the help of protractor you can measure. So first I will show you rough diagram. In rough diagram you can see HEAR, where angle H we don't know, but parallelograms property we know, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So what we will do, angle R is given 85 degree, so opposite of angle also will be angle A, 85 degree. Now angle H is equal to angle A, x degree we will assume, and 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. It's not possible practically, but rough diagram I am showing you, children, because you can see here it's a small line segment, it is greater line segment, but I am explaining this. So first what you will write in quadrilateral HEAR, angle H, angle E, angle A, angle R is equal to 360 degree. Then you will write the measurement. We know that the opposite angles of parallelogram are also equal. Then you will write angle H plus angle E plus angle A, angle R equal to 360 degree. So angle H you will assume x, then angle A also will be x. So x, 2x, angle E plus angle R, 85, 170 equal to 360 degrees. So 2x equal to 190 degree, x equal to 95 degree. Now the diagram, in diagram what you will do, you will take 6 centimeter line segment as a base. Clear? So first EA will draw 6 centimeter line segment. With the help of protractor, draw an angle 85 degree and angle A 95 degree. So you will get angle E, angle A. Now from E 5 centimeter you will intersect here, and this line segment also you will get ray. So 5 centimeter from here, 5 centimeter from here, and from here 6 centimeter. You will get intersecting point. In this way you can draw a quadrilateral. Okay. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Now in this way, rectangle OKAY, OK equal to this, KA equal to this. That means we know that in rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and each and every angle is 90 degree. This property we will use in rectangle OKAY. So first we will draw rough diagram. Now same parallelogram. What you will do first, OK line segment you will draw with measurement 7 centimeter. Then geometrically you will draw an angle 90 degree at O point and K point. Geometrically I taught you how you can form an angle 90 degree with the help of rounder. So you will get 90 degree angle. Now from here you will take 5 centimeter radius and draw an arc, because ray you will get, and here also ray name you can give OHKG, whatever name you can give except these letters. So from here you will take arc, 5 centimeter arc, join. So you will get Y and A. Now in intersecting point arc you will get, then join arc with this, you will get rectangle. And if you are having any query you can ask me.